we're gonna get this. Did you?
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, Lake, and Will. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Cook County in northeast Illinois, DuPage County in northeast Illinois, eastern Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northern Will County in northeast Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeast Illinois, southern Will County in northeast Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 11:39 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain producing thunderstorms over the northern and western Chicago metro area and more set to move into the remainder of the metro through early to afternoon. While the primary threats will be storms will be severe weather, the heavy rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour over urban areas will likely produce flash flooding in some locations. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Addison, Alsip, Arlington Heights, Aurora, Barrington, Batavia, Beach Park, Berwyn, Blue Island, Bolingbrook, Brookfield, Buffalo Grove, Burnham, Blue Ridge, and Calumet City. Other locations affected: Argonne National Laboratory, Aurora University, Benedictine University, Brookfield 2, Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, College of DuPage. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Warnings and advisories.
No Bears game.